One afternoon, Miss Chen stood in front of her class. She had been teaching for many years and often told her students stories that taught important lessons. Today, she said, I want to tell you a story about judging people too quickly. The students became quiet. She began. Michael and Rebecca were a married couple. They had been married for 5 years. To celebrate their anniversary, they decided to take a luxury cruise across the Atlantic Ocean. They had worked hard and saved money for the trip. They were happy to spend time together without thinking about work or daily problems. For 3 days, everything was wonderful. The weather was warm, the sea was calm, and they enjoyed delicious food and beautiful views. But on the fourth night, something unexpected happened. A loud alarm suddenly rang through the ship. Everyone, please remain calm, announced the captain. There is a problem with the ship. People quickly left their rooms and went to the emergency area. Some were frightened, while others were confused. Michael held Rebecca's hand tightly. What is happening? Rebecca asked. I don't know, Michael replied. Stay close to me. Soon the passengers were told that one part of the ship had been damaged. Water was entering the lower part of the vessel. The crew began working quickly to control the situation. While waiting, Michael noticed an old man standing alone near the stairs. The man looked worried and was carrying a small black bag. A crew member suddenly shouted, Sir, please leave that area. The old man did not move. Several passengers became angry. He is putting everyone in danger, someone said. He should listen to the crew, another passenger added. Michael also thought the man was being selfish. Then the old man opened his bag. Everyone was surprised. Inside was a small medical box. I am a doctor, he explained. There are injured people downstairs. I was going to help them. The passengers became silent. The man was not trying to cause trouble. He had been trying to help people. A few minutes later, the crew safely moved everyone to another part of the ship. The damage was controlled and the passengers were eventually safe. Michael felt ashamed of his earlier judgment. He looked at Rebecca and said, We thought that man was dangerous because we didn't understand what he was doing. Rebecca nodded. We only saw a small part of his story. Miss Chen paused and looked at her students. Sometimes, she said, we judge people by what we see on the outside. But we don't know what they are carrying inside, their worries, their struggles, or their good intentions. Dylan raised his hand. So the lesson is that we shouldn't judge someone before knowing the whole story. Miss Chen smiled. Exactly. What we see is only the surface. There may be much more beneath it. Thanks for listening. For more interesting stories, like, share, subscribe to the channel.